Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. Thank you for stopping by. This story is written for beginner to lower intermediate English learners. Ready? Let's get started. A2 B1 English Story. The Nurse. In the heart of London lived a kind nurse named Natalie. She had a friendly smile and cared a lot about other people. Children at the hospital where she worked liked her a lot. Every day, Natalie put on her work clothes and comfy shoes to go and help sick children feel better. Natalie's days at the children's hospital were very busy and full of caring. Each morning, she talked with the nurses from the night shift to know how the children were feeling. Then, with a cup of tea, she got ready to visit the kids. She made sure she had everything she needed to help them feel good. Inside the hospital, the walls had happy pictures that made Natalie happy too. Her first job was to check on the kids, making sure they felt okay. She gave them medicine, checked how they were doing, and talked with them. Natalie liked listening to their stories and answering their questions. Natalie had a fun trick. Sometimes she acted like Dr. Teddy Bear. With a teddy bear friend, she explained things in a way that was easy to understand. Even scary things seemed like an adventure. In the playroom, Natalie organized fun things for the kids to do. They painted, made things, and told stories. This helped them forget about being sick for a little while. Natalie loved seeing the children smile and be happy. At lunchtime, Natalie made sure everyone got the food they liked. She sat with them, telling jokes and stories. She believed that laughing was good for them. Her laughter filled the room and made it feel happy. When Natalie wasn't working, she liked to read. She read stories that took her to new places. At home, she liked to relax with books. Natalie had big dreams too. She was training for the famous London Marathon. She ran on weekends and early mornings. This helped her stay strong and feel good. Running helped her to think and relax. After a lot of training, Natalie finished the marathon. It was like the happy feeling she got when she saw kids getting better. People at the hospital and families noticed how much she cared. She became like a shining star, helping everyone feel better and hopeful. In the busy city, Natalie's kindness made a big difference in the children's hospital. She was like a special friend to the kids. Her caring heart showed that even small things can make a big change. Whether she was at the hospital or running the marathon, Natalie made the world a better place, one step at a time. Now, let's go through some of the beginner to intermediate English vocabulary that you have read in this story. Kindness. Kindness. Kindness means the quality of being friendly and helpful towards other people. For example, his kindness was clear when he helped an elderly. Elderly means old. When he helped an elderly person cross the street. Marathon. A marathon is a long-distance race, often covering 26.2 miles. She trained for months to run in the marathon. Organized. If you are organized, you plan things well and you like to arrange things. The teacher had an organized classroom with labeled shelves for books and supplies. Shift. A shift is a period of time during which a group of people work or are on duty. For example, she worked the night shift at the hospital. Care. Care means showing concern and providing help for the well-being of someone or something. The nurse provided gentle care to the sick child. Jokes, or a joke, are funny words or actions which are intended to make people laugh. His jokes always brought smiles to everyone's faces. To relax. To relax is to unwind and rest. After a long day, she liked to relax with a good book and a cup of tea. Scary. If something is scary, it causes fear or fright. For example, the haunted house was scary. Shining. If something is shining, it can give off light. The stars were shining brightly in the night sky. Smile. So a smile can be a noun or a verb, and it is a happy expression of the face that shows happiness or friendliness. For example, her smile lit up the room. Hopeful. Hopeful. Hopeful means feeling positive about the future. He was hopeful that things would get better. Laugh. Laugh. Now this can be a verb or a noun, and it means to smile while making noises or using your voice to show that you think something is funny or you're happy. The comedy show made everyone laugh. Medicine. Medicine is the treatment for illness or injury. For example, she took some medicine for her cold. Believe. To believe means to think that something is true, correct, or real. For example, he believes in life on other planets. Check. Check can be a verb or a noun, and it means to make certain that something or someone is correct, safe, or suitable. For example, before leaving the house, he double-checked his backpack. Dreams. Dreams are aspirations or imaginative thoughts about the future. She had dreams of becoming an artist. Everyone. Everyone is all people, every person in a group. Everyone at the party enjoyed the food and games. Notice. To notice is to become aware of something, or it can be a written or displayed announcement. Sometimes there are notice boards, for example, in public places. She noticed the beautiful flowers in the garden. Nurse. The story is about a nurse, and a nurse is a healthcare professional. The nurse checked the patient's temperature. Running. Running is the action of moving swiftly or fast on foot. She enjoyed running in the park every morning to stay fit and energized. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story and the vocabulary explanations. Thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Get productive and check out our language learning productivity packs on Etsy. Use code YouTube10 for 10% off. You can find the link in the description box below. See you soon!